What's up, all you cool bass and bluegill? So we are out on another fishing adventure. We're right next to a highway, so the audio might be really bad. I hope it's not, but we'll see what happens. If you can hear me, I will say that I think this pond has a lot of nice potential. We're gonna work on this left side first, where we have this the trees and lay down. I'll work the frog on it a little bit and see what happens. And then if I don't catch anything, we're gonna swap out the frog. Instant bird. Instant backlash. I tried to chunk it too hard. I'm not sure what I want to rig up on here, but for now I'm just going to toss the wacky rig, not wacky rig, Texas rigged Cinco. Slugs, no. The Cinco's almost destroyed, but I'll give it a few casts, see what happens. Fish on, fish on. Got a little fish, let's go. Oh no. I was reeling poorly there. He lost it. He ate it as soon as it went down, though. Is that a fish? No? Not ideal at all. Oh my lord. What in the What have I done? I don't know what the happened here. This might be a re-rig. Oh, we got that out. Holy moly. Oh, let's not do that again. Thought I had a fish bite it, maybe not. was either some thick grass or a little fish had the worm. That's a log. Shit. Might not be good. No, come on, man. Might have lost my Cinco. Thankfully I didn't. Alright, we're gonna call it for this spot. Well, this little location of the spot. Damn, I think this place is a bust. Hate to say it. Alright, last cast to the corner. Actually, you know what? No. Before I even do that, we're gonna do a little bit of exploring down this bank, see if we can do anything behind these woods. Here we go. I actually don't like that cast, and that's why. A lot of brush out here. Ow. Holy shit. Something just moved in the grass down there. I'm officially sketched. Not worth catching fish for getting bit. Might just stay right here. All right, I see a snake, so we're getting out of here. Big copperhead. We are moving. Woo, sketchy. All right, let's get out of here. Man, my nerves started shaking too. Woo! I'm glad I saw him when I did. Whew. I do not know if I got that on footage, but that was a 3 or 4 foot, I think, copperhead. So that's a big no. With that being said, I'm still shaking a little bit. We'll move on to the next spot and I'll see you there. Adios, pond number 1. So, I mean, I think they're big fish that live in there. They're apparently pretty picky on what they eat. So, we'll come back and give it another shot another day. We did catch, but didn't land that first little dink. I'm not too upset about that. On to spot numero 2. Hi-ho silver, away! So we're getting close to the spot. I've never been here before. Not sure what to expect. It's apparently at the end of this road to my left here. Should be some, I don't know, open field that leads to a pond. Yeah. This could be a bust. I could not have a second spot to fish. And if that's the case, we might just go back out to the pond or lake from last video and try to catch something this evening. But we'll see what happens down here. Oh, wait, I was supposed to turn there. Skirt. So it looks like we have a bunch of construction. So I think this spot's going to be a bust. So we might have one more place we could access it from. We're going to see if it's possible. I don't think so. I think there's houses everywhere, so might not be a spot to fish. So I have a decision to make. This is a one-way road, so to get back there, I'd have to go down, take a U-turn, take a left. I'd have to go down here. I don't even think I'd actually be able to access it because I think there's houses all along here. I think we're just going to head home and call her a day, or at least a morning. I may or may not go out this afternoon or evening. And if I do, it'll just be part 2 of this video. Kind of a sad situation that was a bust. I thought that would be a good spot. And I think the other one's a good spot as well. It just didn't happen to catch any fish. So take it easy, and I will see y'all next time.